Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss the Odoo Multi Pricelist on Order module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions to increase the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's see the workflow. As we know, managing different pricing for products within the same quotation can be difficult when only one price list applies to the entire order. To solve this, Odoo Multi Pricelist on Order allows users to apply different price lists to individual quotation lines without refreshing or reloading the page. As we can see in the features, this module provides the ability to change price lists individually for each quotation line, offers instant price previews without page reloads, and much more. Now let's see the real-world implementation of our module. Under the Apps section, we first need to make sure that our Multi-Price List on Order app is installed and activated. After that, we'll create some price lists. Go to Sales, then Products, and then Price Lists. We already have two price lists available here, Wholesale Prices and VIP Price List. Let's create one more price list by clicking the New button, and let's name it Public Price List. Now we'll add some products to this price list by clicking Add a Line, Product, and selecting a product. Let's choose Cabinet Door and assign it a price. Then click Save and Close. Again, we'll add another product by clicking Add a Line, Product, and selecting Cable Management Box. Let's set its price to $100 and click Save and Close. Once again, click Add a Line and select another product. This time, let's choose Customizable Desk. We'll set its price to $750, click Save and Close, and then click the Save button. Now go to the Quotations section under Sales. As we can see, all quotations are listed here. Now let's create a new quotation by clicking the New button and assigning a customer. Next, let's add a product by clicking Add a Product, selecting Cabinet Door, and confirming it. As we can see, the Change Price List option is visible. Now let's add some more products. Click Add a Line and select Cable Management Box. Then again, click Add a Line, add another product, and select Customizable Desk. Confirm it, and then save the quotation. As we can see, we can now change the price list individually for each quotation line. Let's try changing the price list for Cabinet Door by clicking Change Price List. As we can see, the wizard displays the Current Price List, Change Price List option, and the current price. Now let's change it from Wholesale Price List to VIP Price List. As we can see, the current price is $110, while the new price is $120. We can clearly see the $10 increase highlighted with a green color and a plus sign. If we click Apply Price List, we can see that the page does not reload or refresh, yet the price and the assigned price list are updated successfully. We can also see that the change has been applied only to this quotation line and has not affected any other product. Now let's change the price list for Customizable Desk. Click Change Price List and the wizard will appear. This time, change the price list to Public Price List. Again, we can see the increase from the current price of $650 to the new price, along with the $100 increment displayed in green with a plus sign. Click Apply Price List, and as you can see, no other quotation lines are affected, and the change is applied only to the selected quotation line.
Now, as we can see, the quotation has not been sent yet and is still in the quotation stage. Let's send this quotation to a recipient. We'll add the recipient and send it. Even after the quotation is sent, our module still allows us to change the price list. Let's try changing the price list for one of the quotation lines. Click Change Price List and select Public Price List. Again, we can see the price increment. Click Apply Price List, and the change is applied, without affecting any other quotation line. Now, let's change this price list from Public Price List to Wholesale Price List. As you can see, the current price is $750, while the new price is $650. The $100 decrease is displayed in red along with a minus sign. Click Apply Price List. Once again, no other quotation lines are affected, and the change is applied only to the selected quotation line. We also have another feature called the Price List option. What does it do? Let's select VIP Price List. When we click Update Prices, this price list will be applied to the entire order or all quotation lines at once. Let's see how it works. Click Update Prices and then click the OK button. As you can see, the VIP price list pricing has now been applied to the entire order and all quotation lines.
And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support.webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.